Every time I give these CoilPacks the benefit of the doubt, they prove me wrong. See this shit right here?
Praises these CoilPacks and they're garbage. They're fucking garbage.
Like, this shit should not be happening. This is the part that touches the spark plug. You literally have to spend so much time just to get this piece of shit out, just for it to fucking break like this. And you get stuck. Every one of them you pull out gets fucking stuck like this. Overpaid for these pieces of shit. Do not buy these CoilPacks. Please do me a favor. I try to stick with it. I emailed the company, told them like, yo, you know, I broke 2 of them a month ago trying to do my spark plugs, and they were like, oh no, you're just an idiot, pretty much, you know, here's a video of how to do it. Here I am.
This is like the 4th one.
Literally yesterday, I'm trying to change my cylinder 6 injector, take out my 6 you know what I'm saying, take out some of these CoilPacks back here to, you know, get to the injector, and took a shit, right? So I'm like, all right, cool, you know what, I ordered some elders, and today my friend has some Delphis I can run for the time being, because I'm misfiring like crazy. And now he's trying to put it in, taking out 2 of these, and boom, took a shit again. So not just me, I'm another mechanic, and my friend here, all of us having issues with these fucking CoilPacks. Do not buy Precision Raceworks. They're overrated. Go get some elders. No issues with these at all, and easier to take out and deal with. This shit. And then when it breaks, you have to look, another one just broke. Another one. Look at this shit, incredible. Another one. This one came out easy as fuck, but it broke. Look at that. Literally came out easily. Oh, see, now we have to fucking sit here and dig for the fucking piece of it in there. It's fucking garbage. 4 of them broke, and they're taken out. Well, 4 of these broke. Only 2 of them are good. All right, the Delphis are in, and I'm not just hating, bro. This already feels, you know, way better. I mean, obviously, when the PR coils are in the car, they do run really well. But the fact that if I even try so many different ways to take out the CoilPack, I can literally pull this one out easily as hell. You know, if I literally, not just me, my mechanic, other mechanics, me, my friends, like all of us, different ways taking it out, you know, calling PR, telling them what the hell happened with the car, and still they're like, yeah, here's a video of how to take it out, and they took it out the same way we did. You know, it's just, you know, and I was over here defending these CoilPacks for so long just because they look good and I didn't have an issue with them, you know, mechanically. But taking them out, you know, every time I want to do some modification, you know, whether that be changing my injectors, you know, taking out my intake to do anything, valve cover, anything, you're gonna have to take out your CoilPacks. And if you're gonna break every time I take them out, and I gotta spend 20 bucks for one CoilPack, it's kind of ridiculous. It's not just me hating. You know, I ordered some elders. So far, these Delphis, these used Delphis are, you know, holding up for pretty good right now. Till tomorrow, till they come in. So yeah.